This is Heidi The Ride at Plopsaland de Panne. And it's a front row with the GoPro Hero 9 and Horizon lock. And that's many coasters. Yeah, a great view. Going up the first lift hill. Okay. Here we go. Heidi! So very nice. I must say, this is one of my favorites, like wooden coasters. Not back row this time, but another on ride here on the Ride to Happiness. But they are so pretty, the trains to this. Here we go. Woohoo! Okay, so I can tell you there is so much different when the music is working. This is Anubis the Ride at Plopsaland de Panne. It's a launch coaster and it's gonna launch us right away. So hold on. Here we go. And it's Horizon lock, by the way. Here we go. Yeah! Woo! Woo-hoo! Wow! I like it today. It's nice. Wow, it's so nice. It's good today. Oh. I didn't like it last time, but today it's really nice. Thank you before, but it's not. No, it's not. It isn't. No. Wow. That's a really good coaster. Okay, everyone, this is SuperSplash at Plopsaland de Panne. Det är bara... Det är bara droppar. Ja. Just a big drop. Oh my god. It's an elevator lift going up and then we just drop out into the water. Not excited whatsoever. Oh no.
I'm excited.
Oh no, I'm not. I already regret this.
Oh, this is so high.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
YouTube. I really hope you enjoy this. I do this for you. Oh no.
Oh Lord.
Here we go. Wow, what a splash!
Oh! Okay, we're fine.
Okay, it's not that bad. Okay.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
Wow, and we go under the tracks here of happiness.
It would be great if it comes.
Oh, if it arrived now, it would be great. And this was also basically a walk-on ride today, on a Tuesday in May. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Turn off. Okay, that's good. Turn them off now. In safe distance, just turn it off.
It's a nice little boat ride.
Yeah, it's like you do the water ride and then you have time to dry off.
Yeah.
Gentle boat ride.
So nice.
Not much theming going on in the ride itself.
We have a shark.
We do have a shark, but that's about it. I'm thinking that maybe we should do a on-ride on Anubis without the horizon lock.
Yep.
It's like 10 minutes ago we went there.
Yep.
And somehow we are back at the station